Hey, what's up, Bobo? Just wanted to give you an update. This thing's pretty much ready for testing. I'm waiting on the spark plugs. I gotta leave this back end open to dial in the burners. And once that's done, we can put the back end and the bottom on. But for now, we're gonna leave it like this for the test. That's gonna grant me access to these valves. And I left the manifold inside the firebox because I want to preheat the air to turbocharge everything a little bit. This is kind of different than an engine. With an engine, you want to cool the air, but with a burner, preheating it a little bit definitely helps us out. It does reduce the volumetric oxygen available, but we're going to do just fine. I'm waiting on some non-resistor spark plugs for the insulators so I can connect all these spark plugs up. And I'm still waiting on the distributor so we can fire all these things, all 6 of them. But that's where we are. I'm going to end up putting a hip roof on this thing. It's going to have a hip going up at an angle, kind of like that house over there. Those are all vaporizer lines, is why they're in there. They all had to be the same length to kind of balance it out. It just makes it a little easier. That way I know that all the propane's vaporizing in the same length line. So that's why you see some of these crazy loops and stuff like this here. That line was the closest, so I had to coil the tube. But we're ready to roll. Got the distilled water in place.